Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Akil Rafi. My registration is Fall 16 BEE014 and my topic for presentation is unemployment in Pakistan. I will cover these topics in my presentation as you can see in the slide. Introduction, unemployment in Pakistan, causes of unemployment, effect of unemployment, remedial step to address unemployment, and conclusion. Unemployment is the state in which a person is without work, available to work, and is currently seeking for work. Unemployment is a worldwide and global issue. Workless people are always dangerous to country. They are burden of country. Like other developed and developing countries, Pakistan is also a victim of unemployment. The unemployment rate in Pakistan for the year 2014 and 15 is 6%. You can also see in the graph. Now I would like to discuss the root causes of unemployment. Overpopulation and limited jobs, faulty education, lack of vocational institutes, wrong government politics, energy crisis, and failure industries. As you see in the slide that there is so much overpopulation, so there are limited jobs, crisis, and failure of industries. More than 70% industrial units have been closed due to energy crisis. Now, effects of unemployment. Psychological effects in society, economical effects in society, social evils in society, and poverty. Psychological effects in society are unemployment people spend less. Unemployment causes depression, dissatisfaction, anxiety, hopelessness, and many other negative emotional states. Economical effects in society are shrinking economy has weakened the government credibility among the people. Unemployment makes society weak and stop its productive power. Social evils in society are unemployment. Young people cannot see the future and may be subject to the influence drugs and may become robber, thieves, or terrorists. Childhood labor have become common because of unemployment. Poverty. When people are unemployed, they consume the resources but are unable to contribute in overall economy, which result in poverty. Also, poverty is a mother of all problems. People are turned toward crimes and violence. Remedial steps for unemployment. Quality education and promotion of vocational institutes, right government politics, proper planning regarding population, eradication of corruption and energy crisis. Now we will discuss each of them. Quality education and promotion of vocational institute. Education should be up to the mark. Vocational institute should be opened not only in cities but also in villages. We should take full benefit from science and technology to cure this problem. Right government politics. Government should play its important role to address unemployment. New industries, hospitals, and universities should be opened to increase availability of jobs. Proper planning regarding population. We should make proper planning programs to develop awareness in family. Same facilities should be given to cities and villages to stop migration of people towards cities. Infrastructure of cities should be corrected. Eradication of corruption and energy crisis. Corrupt people should be punished. There should be equal law and order for poor and rich people. To address unemployment and run industries properly, energy crisis should be demolished by making dams and promoting nuclear plants. Now I will discuss the conclusion. To sum in few words, unemployment is a problem that leads to some other problems like poverty and crimes. Therefore, we should care about it and find a way to solve this problem.